Hello friends, in this video I will explain how to file ITR by yourself without taking any help of anyone else with a live demo of step-by-step process. Please watch the video till end so that you don't miss any step, and if you like the information then please do share this video with your friends and family. Also, do not forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon to my channel to get more informative videos like this one. So, let's start with the first step. Go to the official income tax portal of Government of India and log in with your PAN and password. If you don't have any account, then register first. Then in step 2, click File Now to choose the assessment year and mode of filing as online. Then press Continue. Now in step 3, click on Start New to start a new ITR filing where there is no previously saved draft. Otherwise, resume the draft to proceed further. Then, in step 4, you have to select your status. I am selecting my status as an individual. It is advised to my viewers to do their own research and then select their appropriate status for themselves. In step 5, to choose ITR form type, there are ITR 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you are filling ITR for the first time and you are feeling confused like which form type to choose, then allow yourself to get help from the portal itself. Then read and know your qualifying conditions for ITR. This portion is totally self-explanatory. Therefore, please read properly to choose the right form for you. If still not clear, then proceed to genuinely answer some questions and the portal will suggest an ITR form based on the answers. I am going to choose my ITR form as ITR 1. It is advised to my viewers to do their own research and then select their appropriate form. Then in step 6, select the reason of ITR filing. And in step 7, verify your contact details. Select nature of employment, filling section type and your preferable tax regime, old or new. In step 7 and 8, verify and if needed, edit the pre-filled data of your personal information and gross total income. In step 9, verify and edit your total deduction details. This is a very important step, so do your calculations beforehand to save time on the go. Calculate for total investments under specific schemes and put their total amount under those particular schemes. If you are eligible for deduction under 80D scheme, then you need to put amount in 80D schedule afterwards. Check if you are eligible for 80E deduction, 80 TTA deduction. Then check the options and put amount wherever you are eligible for deduction. Then press continue and again verify if all deduction details are correct or not. Edit the options wherever needed and put the exact amount of deduction under particular scheme. Like I am filling my Mediclaim premium expenses for my parent and myself. Similarly, viewers are advised to read the instructions, descriptions and do their own calculation and fill appropriate fields. Consider your bank accounts, PPF account statements and other relevant account statements, medical premium and preventive health checkup expenses, etc. for calculation, because this is the step where you declare your investment details to claim tax deductions. So, verify well and then confirm to proceed. Verify these steps well. In step 10, pay attention to verify your tax paid details, then confirm to proceed. In step 11, check and verify your total tax liability. Check carefully, then confirm and proceed. Check all the liabilities. Then in step 13, you will see all the details together for verification. Then the portal will show the amount of refund if you are eligible. You can download the details for your concern. I am hiding the confidential details. In step 14, you need to fill the self-declaration form. If you haven't taken help of TRP, then no need to fill TRP details. So please check all the details carefully. And at last, in step 15, preview and submit your return by e-verifying with a suitable option. I chose OTP verification. In step 16, confirm and submit your return. Thanks for watching.